Welcome to the Texas Commercial Truck Insurance Show with your hosts Wendell Wood and Mike Ross. Today in our first episode, we're going to talk about the history of our agency and the specialties on the Texas Commercial Truck Insurance with Mike Ross. A little bit of history about Mike is he's a Air Force military veteran. He's had his commercial license, I believe, 30 years.
Yes, sir.
Drove a truck all over Texas, really all over from East Coast to West Coast. So when you talk to him about your future needs on insurance, he has the unique experience, unlike anybody else in the insurance industry, on both sides of knowing to operate a truck, knowing all the requirements, and the insurance and the different carriers that we represent. Also about our agency, a little bit about me and our agency. I'm a former Fort Worth police officer, started in '86. We went through a lot of history of before I got into insurance, which led me to leave the PD because the agency grew when I just started writing on our own police officers and stuff. So I've had my license since '93, way before the internet, and now learned through my brother that the internet, we attain a lot of business. So we want to help clients, our new clients. We're specializing in new entrants. And Mike, if you can kind of explain about what we're looking for to help on the new entrants as far as their USDOT and their TxDOT.
Well, on the new entrants, there's a lot of people out there you can Google, and they're going to charge you, I don't know, anywhere from $400 to $800 just to help you get your DOT number and your TxDOT. That's one of the things that we'll do for free. If you're going to do your insurance through Woods Insurance, call us. We'll get you on the phone, or you can come into the office and sit down, and we'll go over everything with you and get your USDOT and your TxDOT set up.
How long is that process to do? I believe that you have to get your USDOT first.
Yes, you have to get your DOT first. It's a 24-hour waiting period while it processes overnight, and then as soon as that's done, we get your USDOT, then we can apply for your Texas DOT.
So this would matter whether they're based. Obviously, they got to be based out of Texas, so they can either be interstate or intrastate. So if they're interstate, which they're going through state line, crossing state lines, they won't need a TxDOT, will they?
No, they won't need a TxDOT if they're doing interstate commerce. And if you're intrastate, just working within the state of Texas, I mean, there's a lot of companies like people hauling sand, rock, and gravel, a lot of your plumbers, HVAC.
So we've been, like I say, been in business since '93. We have multiple carriers that we can offer competitive quotes. Are we going to be the cheapest all the time? Well, no. Anybody that tells you that they are is not true. We have some great companies, some great underwriting. We have some good relationships with our companies, which help you. Which, speaking of that, on your background of owning a truck, driving a truck, being a company owner, what are some of the things that you could help save money on as far as drivers or the equipment or what kind of trucks to look for?
Well, you really need to do a good background check on your drivers. I mean, you need to look at their at-fault accidents, speeding tickets, any type of safety violations through your DOT. You can look at their background there. If they've got a lot of safety violations, bad tires, bad brakes, stuff like that they've got with other companies, when you hire them on your company, they're going to drag all that to your company with them. So then all the tickets they've had until they fall off, they're going to bring them to your company, and that's going to look bad towards your company and your DOT.
All right, thank you. So basically, one of our niches is we're looking for new entrants, and there are thousands of new entrants that come into Texas, tens of thousands every year. We're trying to help them save money. We're trying to help them grow their company. We're trying to help them stay profitable, and we have the experience to help you. So if you click on the link below, you will see a lot of informative information on how to get your USDOT and TxDOT, how to do a pre-trip, what kind of vehicles to look for we will show you the requirements, the new entrant requirements that's required by the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration. That'll be on the link below. This all may sound like it's a lot of information, but in all actuality, it's pretty easy, and we're here to help you get through your process.
Hello, I'm Bruce Ross here at Woods Insurance Agency. We are here for you. Whatever you need, whether you need car insurance, house insurance, whether you need builder's risk, anything that you need, we have it here at Woods Insurance Agency. A lot of agents try to make it complicated, but we're here to simplify the process for you.
Welcome back. And one of the things that we also want to discuss with our clients and current clients is we are an independent agent. We're not a captive. When I started in this business, I was a captive agent, which I could only offer one product, whatever that one company had to offer, even though if I knew there was other companies out there that had better prices, better options, I could not offer that. So I made that decision in 2001 to be independent because I wanted to broaden our agency. And with that, Mike, what's one of the reasons that you decided to sign on with Woods Insurance Agency?
Well, with being an independent agency, we have probably 10 different companies that we can write through. Not everybody's a good fit in one insurance company. People have different commodities they're hauling. Some people are new entrants. They fit in certain categories. We've got people that have been in business for 15, 20 years, and we can move them over to different companies and help save them money. When you're a new entrant, it's kind of a small pool of insurance companies that we can put you with, because most insurance companies don't want new entrants just due to the fact of not having the experience, which a lot of you're going to have the experience, but the insurance companies, they don't really look at it that way.
They're looking at losses.
Yeah, they're looking at losses. That's what they're looking at. And like when we help you with your TxDOT and your DOT, for instance, I had a client a couple of years ago. He had spent an absorbent amount of money with a company trying to get his DOT. Well, he couldn't get his DOT and his TxDOT because they couldn't verify his address. So I made a call down to Austin and spoke with him down there. What do we need to do to get this man his DOT? They can't verify his address. We had to send him to the courthouse, get an affidavit of, yes, this is his permanent address. It's his 911 address. And we got all that together, sent it off down to Austin, and in 2 days, we had his TxDOT, and then a day after that, we had his DOT. The day after that, we had his TxDOT. And
he's still operating today, isn't he?
Yes, he's still operating today. And he had been fighting them for like a month.
These are some of the free services that Woods Insurance provides for our clients. Whether the new entrants or you've been a client for a while, you need a certificate, cab cards, which registration every 2 years, I believe. So when I wanted to talk about the TxDOT. That's not our fee. When we say we charge nothing, TxDOT charges $220. It's a one-time $100 insurance fee, one-time $100 filing fee, and we like to register every 2 years instead of registering every year. So it's $10 a year vehicle, so $20. So if you got two trucks, $240, and
right.
So on. It's just we offer a lot of free services when you choose our agency to do business with. Myself, Mike, or any of our licensed professional staff here in our Fort Worth office. We also have an office in Springtown, which is just out west of Fort Worth. to help you with all your needs. So email, call, text, in person, we're here for you.
I'm Curtis Wagner with Rush Truck Center Fort Worth, where the customer's boss. I can help you with new and used trucks. Y'all come on in. Here at Rush Truck Center, come and see any of our professional salespeople. We can help you at any time. With over 100 locations, if we don't have it on our lot, we can find it for you.
Here at Rush Truck Centers Fort Worth, we offer new and used truck sales, as well as parts, service, and mobile repair.
Hello, I'm Bruce Ross here at Woods Insurance Agency. We are here for you. Whatever you need, whether you need car insurance, house insurance, whether you need builder's risk, anything that you need, we have it here at Woods Insurance Agency. A lot of agents try to make it complicated, but we're here to simplify the process for you.
Back with Wendell Wood and Mike Ross, we were talking about service, how our agency strives on service with our clients and how important it is. In our background, Mike, military veteran from the Air Force, how important or how much effect did the military tell you as a young man going in there, and thank you for serving our country, well, how important was service to them?
Well, service is very important. It taught us how to work as a team, how to meet a goal, what it takes to come together as a team and a cohesive unit. If somebody's kind of falling behind a little bit, you go help that man. You pick him up. You bring him with you. That's what we want to help do with y'all. We want a shared success.
I love that.
We want to bring you up from 1 or 2 trucks and stay with us until you got 20 or 30 trucks, if that's your goal. We'll be with you the whole time.
My service background, it was an eye-opening experience of no clue when I signed on with the Fort Worth PD. Spent 6 months in the academy, and believe me, that was an experience in itself. It was a lifelong experience that helped open doors for me in the insurance business and service, because Fort Worth, Panther City, to serve and protect. Well, in the insurance, we're here to serve. And, you know, you're our client. We're working for you. Our success is your success. And it's amazing our backgrounds that we bring. And once again, that's why I say, you know, you can be proud of things you do, your ownership of a truck or whatever it is that you're doing in life. We love the insurance business. We love our backgrounds, and that's why we're uniquely qualified to service your needs today. So please visit the links below or call us.
Well, when you first got in the insurance business, you were still on the PD. You were just trying to make some extra money.
Mike, that's funny, because I was trying to make, I'm like, I need an extra $200 a month. I was working part-time jobs, bars, and called Hell's Half Acre in Fort Worth. I was a mounted patrol officer. That was some crazy times, and I was doing a lot of roping and rodeoing, and a lot of the guys that I did that with were in the insurance industry, and they're like, hey, you should try this. And I'm like, there's no way I'm sitting in the office. Well, I didn't know that, hey, you get out and you meet people and you talk to people. So after 3.5 years, it actually I had a lot of success. I was just writing police officers all over the state before internet.
Right.
And it caused me to leave full time. And ever since then, since I believe 95, I've enjoyed the insurance field full time, and believe me, so this is not cut out for everybody. And this is why we love this. I'm excited for the internet. I'm excited, hey, this is our first show. We're going to get better at this, Mike, and we're going to be more informative. There's a bunch of links below and video on demand. We are, the ecstatic is not, I don't even know if that's a good word for this,
right.
But I cannot wait to help try to save people money. And I want to tell you, even if I can't save you money, I want to help you with your process of hey, there's other agents out there. It depends on what you're trying to do. There's so many variables, but that's why we're saying new entrants. The guys that are 1 or 2 truck shows, hey, the ones that don't even need TxDOT, the people are listening. If you're a plumber, you're an electrician, you're a landscaper, pool guy, you got trucks that have to have commercial insurance, we're your guys. We have the experience, we have the knowledge. We cannot wait to hear from you. With that, we can't wait to see you on our next episode, and be sure to click on our videos below. Visit us at texasinsurance.biz, Mike at texasinsurance.biz, Wendell at texasinsurance.biz. See you soon.
Thank y'all.
Have a great day.